Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the health and wellness space, Primebiome Supplement. But before we get into the details, I want to make sure you're getting the real deal asterisk. To avoid scams and fake products, click the link in the description box to head straight to the official Primebiome website asterisk. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. Now, let's talk about what makes Primebiome so special. This is a cutting-edge probiotic supplement designed to promote gut health and, believe it or not, skin health too. That's right, Primebiome works from the inside out to enhance your overall well-being. And who doesn't want that? Here's how it works. Primebiome helps prevent fine lines and dullness associated with aging by promoting skin cell regeneration asterisk. It basically sheds old, damaged cells and replaces them with new, healthy ones. The secret lies in the gut-skin axis, a powerful connection between your gut and your skin. By regulating your body's microbiome, Primebiome not only improves your gut health but also boosts your skin's natural radiance and attractiveness. And the best part, Primebiome comes in easy-to-take probiotic gummies that are packed with a patented blend of beneficial ingredients asterisk. These ingredients work together to boost your gut flora, which in turn promotes cleaner, healthier, and more glowing skin. It's like a double win for your health and beauty routine. Oh, and did I mention that Primebiome is made from 100% natural ingredients? Plus, it's FDA approved, so you know you're putting only the best into your body. All you need to do is take one capsule daily with a glass of water asterisk. It's that simple. Now, if you're ready to give Primebiome a try, and trust me, you should, click the link in the description box below to head to the official website. Don't risk buying fake products from third-party sellers. Get the real Primebiome and start your journey to better gut health, glowing skin, and overall wellness today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and health tips. See you in the next video.